Hello, my name is Chef Aryan Parekh and I have with me today Chef PUREE Das, who's going to be showing us a vegan twist on a classic beef Wellington. So Chef PUREE, what inspired this vegan twist for this beef Wellington?
So basically the reason why I chose such an iconic classic to give it this vegan twist, which was inspired by the great chef Gordon Ramsay, was to primarily showcase how a classic cuisine can stand the test of time, and secondarily how such a dish can be adapted to suit the modern trends in the culinary world.
That's really interesting, yes, because diners today are really leaning towards veganism for all its health benefits and other things. So interesting, really nice. Shall we get cooking?
Yes, definitely. Firstly, I'm going to start with the center of a beef Wellington. That is the beetroot. So I'm just going to carve it a little. So here, we already have simmering some red wine vinegar as well as red wine for poaching the beetroot. Let it simmer for at least 20 to 25 minutes because beetroot takes some time.
And it would need to be soft all the way through, yeah?
Yes, exactly. And we need all the flavors to seep in.
I'm sure. Can I take a whiff of that?
Yes, sure.
That's very nice. That smells really nice.
Okay, so now that we have our beetroot simmering here, so we'll just let that sit there. So I'm going to move on to our next element, that is the vegan jus.
Vegan jus, yeah, that's interesting.
Right?
You've got a nice selection of colors on your board there. Celery makes a really satisfying crunch sound when you cut it, doesn't it?
So we have all our vegetables for this. Can you just pass me the baking tray?
Sure.
So we are going to just toss it in some black pepper and salt.
Okay.
Just a little bit of oil. For the brown caramelized flavor, we'll be roasting the vegetables in the oven.
So I see the vegetables have got a lovely caramelized glaze on them. What's next?
So next up, we will blend it along with the reduction from the simmering liquid to make a nice, rich and flavorful jus. So we've got these lovely mint and spinach caviars to accent the Wellington.
Oh, that's nice. We've got some interesting molecular gastronomy going on here. So I believe you've used the basic spherification process for this, right?
Yep, that's right. For this, we make a 5% ALGIN solution with our spinach and mint puree and 5% calcium chloride bath. After that, basically you have to just drop the puree at a steady pace with a syringe.
So I think we've got everything ready. So let's start assembling. I believe we're using a vegan puff pastry made with margarine instead of butter, right? For this pastry?
Yes. So first, we roll out our sheet to half a centimeter thickness. We lay out the blanched spinach and pickled carrots, which are seasonal vegetables, replacing the traditional mushroom duxelle.
Okay. Alright, and once we do that, I guess we just have to roll it up and crimp the sides, right? So you've already made a lovely decorative sheet of pastry to lay over the Wellington. That will look really nice once it's baked. So thank you very much, Chef Puree, for having me here today. That meal was wonderful. Certainly my mind has changed about vegan food. That vegan beef Wellington was amazing. I really enjoyed it, and I'm sure our viewers who are watching today as well would really love to try that at home and get this experience for themselves.
Yes, and it was a pleasure having you here, and I'm hoping to see you again next time.
Definitely, I would love to be there for some interesting dishes that you're making next time, and I'm sure our viewers would love to see some too. Thank you. Thank you so much.